Introduction to Access Modifiers in OOP.
Access modifiers are key tools in object-oriented programming. They help you control which parts of your code can see or modify certain variables and methods inside classes. By setting the right access level, you can protect data, enforce rules, and keep your programs safer and easier to maintain.
Public open to all.
When something in a class is marked as public, it means any other part of your program can access it. This is useful for methods and variables that should be available everywhere. However, using public access freely can expose important data to unwanted changes, so it should be used thoughtfully.
Private, strictly for the class.
Private members are only accessible within the class where they are defined. This is often used to hide details or sensitive data that shouldn't be changed directly from outside the class. By making data private, you help ensure that objects behave as intended and protect them from accidental misuse.
Protected, for the class and subclasses.
Protected members are visible inside the class and in any subclasses that inherit from it. This is especially useful when you want to allow derived classes to build upon existing functionality, but prevent other unrelated code from accessing or modifying those members directly.
Why access modifiers matter.
Choosing the right access modifier is about balancing flexibility and safety. By carefully deciding what should be public, protected, or private, you clearly define how different parts of your program interact. This approach leads to better organized, more reliable, and secure code, one of the main goals in software development.